In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this fish motion animation. I'm using an imported fish mesh. I'll share a download link in the description below. This fish mesh is currently following a surface of another mesh via surface deform modifier. The modifier can be found here. This is the mesh the fish mesh is using. It's a stretched plane with a lot of vertical loop cuts. I'll show you how this mesh was created. Let's create a plane. R, X, and 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis. S, and X to scale on the X axis. We could subdivide the mesh like this as well, but I have decided to make 25 loop cuts instead. I'm using the mouse wheel up motion to add more loop cuts. Let's add a wave modifier. I'll make it animate a bit slower. There is our fish motion. The next step is to add a surface deform modifier on the fish mesh. I have edited the fish to make it narrower on the head and the tail. If we don't bind, the animation won't work. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.